Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Cook 2 cups short grain rice until tender, then keep it warm and slightly sticky. Stir in 1 tablespoon sesame oil and 1 tsp salt while rice is hot so seasoning absorbs. Toast 6 skim seaweed sheets briefly over low heat, keeping them flat to prevent curling. Place a sheet shiny side down on the bamboo mat and spread rice thinly to 1/3 of the sheet, leaving a clean 1/2-inch edge at the top for sealing when you roll later. Drain 1 can tuna, 165 g, thoroughly and mix in 2 tablespoon mayonnaise and 1 tsp soy sauce until creamy but not watery. Stir in 1 tsp sesame oil and 1/2 tsp toasted sesame seeds for depth. Julienne 1 carrot, a 3-5-inch cucumber, and slice 3 pickled radish strips into long matchsticks to maintain traditional texture and color. Taste and adjust salt or mayo. Place a position filling across the rice strip and lift the bamboo mat to begin a tight roll, pressing evenly. Use the reserved 1/2-inch edge to seal the gim so the roll stays closed. Brush the finished roll with 1 tsp sesame oil to give shine and prevent drying, then chill for 10 minutes to set the shape. With a very sharp knife moistened slightly, slice into 8 1-inch pieces cleanly. Store wrapped in plastic in the fridge up to 2 days or freeze for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.